as an issue of dignity and health, and in some cases a taboo subject, and some felt excluded and even embarrassed to talk about menstruation and hygiene. Many lack necessary knowledge and facilities to deal with menstruation. Some get instruction from their mothers and elderly women in the families, and some young girls even less from the schools. Ineffective menstrual hygiene methods such as reusing cloth napkins and the inability to wash them regularly have been linked to urinary and reproductive tract infections and other illnesses. A study in India reported that half the girls attending schools were withdrawn by their parents once they reached menarche, mostly to be married. This was either because menstruation was regarded as a sign of readiness for marriage, or because of the shame and danger associated with being an unmarried pubescent girl. In another study, 28% of students mentioned not attending school during menstruation due to lack of facilities. And nappy burn. The nappy vent is a sanitary napkin vending machine. It gives easy access to sanitary napkin during emergencies. It not only dispenses sanitary napkins but also relief without unnecessary embarrassment. It's easy to use. Just insert a coin into this slot and receive your napkin at this collection tray. The nappy vent is easy to install and can be wall mounted. It primarily runs on electricity and has a battery backup for 10 days. Optionally, it can be powered by solar energy. Further, nappy vent can be calibrated to accept coins of different denominations of any country. Nappy vent can also be stocked with multiple napkin brands. Nappy vent is ideally suited for schools, colleges, ladies' hostels, hotels, malls, public toilets, restrooms, and waiting rooms. But it doesn't end there. Usually, used napkins are flushed down toilets or improperly disposed of. These used napkins clog the drainage system and cost the city lakhs of rupees. Enter nappy burn, a safe and compact electrical incinerator that takes care of this problem. Just place your used napkin here, close the window, and press the start button. The used napkin is incinerated within seconds. Most incinerators are huge and expensive. The nappy burn has a small form factor. It's easy to install and can be wall mounted. It consumes the lowest power in its class, less than 1 kilowatt per hour. And it burns 200 napkins per day. Every single napkin leaves a gram of ash after incineration. The smoke control unit, through a process of filtration, renders smoke harmless. Our company has bagged the ISO 9001-2008 certification, and our products are exported to most parts of the world. We also pride ourselves in our comprehensive service after sales. We are in constant collaboration with various NGOs in order to improve the quality of life in India and the world.
This is our napkin vending machine, and it's very simple. It's showing like stock above 75%, means all the rack having napkins. And I set the price as 5 rupee now. So keeping the napkin and all, it's very simple in this. I kept this much napkin inside. So we can keep the napkin like this in this spring slot. We can keep the napkin inside. So totally we can keep 120 napkin in the machine. So it's fully automatic, and I'll show how it works. Like we can take the key, and now the machine is totally locked. So I'm going to put 5 1 rupee coins. Okay. Hello. Okay, now it's working. We can take the napkin from the collecting point.